Microsoft Store not downloading apps? In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to get Microsoft Store working again. Solution 1. Clear temp files first, search run and open it. Type temp and click OK. If asked, click Continue. Now select all files and click Delete. Again, click Continue to confirm. Next solution. Clear %temp% files. Open Run again. Type %temp% and click Run. Select all files here and delete them. Next solution. Use storage cleanup. Search settings and open it. Click on System, then go to Storage. Click on Cleanup Recommendations. Select Recycle Bin and click Cleanup. Click Continue to finish. Next solution. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Open Run again. Type sreset.exe and click OK. Wait for the process to complete automatically. Next solution. PowerShell Check. Search Windows PowerShell. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. After that, open Notepad once and close it. Next solution. Repair Microsoft Store. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Install all updates. Then click on Apps and open Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Store. Click the three dots and select Advanced Options. Now click on Repair. Next solution. Restart Store Services. Open Run again. Type Services and click OK. Select the related service and click Stop. Now click Start again. Then click OK and close the window. Next solution. Run System File Checker search command prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete fully. This should fix the Microsoft Store not downloading apps issue. Try opening the store again and start downloading your apps normally.